Hello Yatris, have you ever connected any Linux operating system in your laptop using VirtualBox? I hope already had done, correct? So you already know how to download the ISO file and connect within your laptop to run any different operating system. But what if you can do the same thing using the cloud, right? So specific how you can create a virtual machine and you can create your own Linux system using your customized hardware, right? You don't need to worry about at all. So yeah, I'm going to give you the each and every steps in a very simplest manner, right? How to create a virtual machine, how to select the image, and how to connect a virtual machine to access it. Correct? So this video for specific to connect a Linux virtual machine. In the next video, we can go through the windows. So let's get started. So first, as you can see, here is the Azure portal. You have to just go to the search bar and type virtual machine. So as you can see, go to the first option and here you have to just click on the create and go with the virtual machine. No need to worry about that other options as of now on the beginner stage. So click on the virtual machine and here you can see the subscription. So you must have a subscription as I already said in last couple of videos. So if you don't have, check it out. The link is given in the description. So let's create the first research group. Without a research group, you can't do anything. Make sure. So first, you need to just create a research group with relevant name. So let's say I'm going to start with the Yatri Linux virtual machine research group. Okay. So what is the best practice? Lastly, you just give the hyphen short form of the particular service, right? Currently, you can see the research group short form is the RG. Okay. Now let's say I want to give the virtual machine name. Then I just remove this research group and keep as it is, right? Then select the region, pick up any one of the nearest one, right? If you want to go with any large scale to getting the availability zones and everything, you can go with the East US. That would be okay. So I'm currently go with the East US and let's say availability zones, right? So currently I don't want any availability zones if physical hardware happens, correct? So as you can see here the description, right? So currently I'm selecting the no. That's a security type. To keep it a trusted launch virtual machine security. Correct? If you want a very standard security on basic level, then you can select pretty much of the first option. And the last option about the confidential virtual machines, right? This is a top-notch level of the confidential security on highly integrated into particular guarantee that your virtual machine is not going into the down, right? So yeah, right now I'm just keep it the trusted one. Then you can see the image, right? So just click here and select any one of them. If you want more, then click on the see all images, right? And here you can see the different images. Let's say I want Ubuntu server. Then I click on the select option, right? And select any one of them, like that. So let's go back. Okay, after selecting any one of them, you need to again go to the back from the upper side, right? Then you can see I'm currently selecting the standard 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, and you can see the cost per month, right? Then you can see enable particular hibernation. So I'm not currently want any one of them. Then SSH public key if you want, then this is the best option. Not go with the password, right? To measure more security purpose. So click on the SSH public key, then just give the username, whatever you want to give. So currently your system username have your name mostly, correct? Just like you need to give the username. So I'm just giving the Yatri user, right? Let's say SSH public key. So here you need to click to generate a new key pair, right? If you have already, then you can select. But for the first step, you don't have. So click on the generate. Then you can see the SSH key type. So if you know the RS algorithm and all such type of security, then you can relate it. But as of now, RSA would be better. Then click on the RSA. Key pair name. Let's say I want to give the name of the particular key, SSH key. So from this key, I'm going to access the virtual machine. right? So this is a very confidential key. So let's say I'm going to the name Yatri hyphen key hyphen pair. Fine. Then let's say I want to give any one of the port access, right? So public inbound port would must be enabled to access all the networks, right? Then here you can see the select inbound ports. So let's say I want to enable the HTTP or HTTPS for the connectivity, then you can select, right? As you can keep it the black. Then you can see the next disk. So here let's say the OS disk type. So if you want a 32 GB, 64 or more than, you can select any one of them. So I'm selecting the base level 30. Then you can see the OS disk type. Let's say you are running the production virtual machine. Then pick up the premium SSD. Let's say you want to test your applications, right, on dev test. Then select the standard one. Let's say you want to virtual machine for basic purpose, right? For just testing, very basic level testing, right? And you can select the standard STD and another ones. So currently I'm going with the standard SSD, correct? Then you can see the key management. So platform management key, I'm going to refer you. No need to go with a customer managed key. Fine. So select that. Keep it as it is, go to the networking, and here you need to create our virtual network, right? Let's say you have already, then select any one of them, either by default is going to create. So no need to worry about at all. Here you can see the subnet public IP is already assigned with the particular name by default 10.1.0.0. This is the by default subnet. So if you want to know more about the networking, you need to go with the networking concept, correct? So that's why you need to first understand all basic concept, database, networking, how OS works, fine. So as it is, no need to worry about at all the options, no need to change. Click on the next management. Then you can see, let's say, okay, as it is, no need to change anything. Let's say you want to shut down your virtual machine on specific time. Let's say I want to shut down this virtual machine every 7 p.m., right, on my time zone, correct? Then you can select. As if you forgot to turn off the virtual machine, then your charges would be coming on each and every time, right? If you are not using this. So if you can turn on, it would be better if you are not using for the production. Production, that means the live application who users are currently use in the particular market. Okay. So turn off as of now. I'm not going to turn it now. Then you can see the other options if you want to enable the backup of a virtual machine or any such things you can. Yes, please just keep it as it is on a beginner level. No need to change anything. Click on the next and here is the text. Let's say you want to identify your virtual machine. Okay. So let's say I want to type Yatri Cloud and here is the let's say my Linux VM. Fine. So you can give any such values, okay, as per your virtual machine concept. Next, review and create. So it takes a bit around 30 seconds max to max. Then you need to just wait for the verification. So till yet, if you like this video, subscribe and do comment if you are get some really good information to get to know about. So you can see the per hour the virtual machine charged me the 6.8 rupees, right? In between 6.68 you can say, but let's say the all the information it will be must verified by you before click on the create button. Fine. So click on the create. Now our virtual machine is going to create in next few minutes. So here you can see the my SSH key is going to download right now. This is a private key. So click on the download, right? So after download, what you need to do? That's it. So let's wait for the downloading. So you can see the my key is downloaded now. Now let's wait for the deployment. As you can see, the deployment is initialized. Fine. Then submitting the deployment. So click here. Wait. Yeah. So just wait for the creation period. We are going to connect our SSH. So let me go into the Finder, go to downloads and let me go into the SSH. Fine. So you can see Now, what I had done, you need to just paste this file into your .sss folder, where you can find out this folder. In particular, your users folder, you need to find out your name, and inside that, you need to enable the hidden files and folders, where you can find out this .sss. Okay, in your Windows system, I will give you the path in the description. You can check it out, right? So after paste this file into particular this folder, you need to open this folder into the terminal. Fine. So let me enable the hidden files. Go to SSS, right click, open in terminal. Let me zoom it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the permission, right? Public access key permission. chmod 400, and let me copy the name of the file and paste it here. So now I already given the permission to my virtual machine key. So now we are able to access the virtual machine, right? Let me go into the Azure, and you can see your deployment is completed now. So go to resources and just wait. Now here you can see my IP address, right? Where we are going to access this virtual machine. So let's click on the connect. Then you can see we have two options, right? SSH using the Azure CLI, and next one is the native SSH. So right now I'm going to connect with the native SSH. In next upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to access the virtual machine using your VS Code, right? So as of now, you can see the basic information about our virtual machine on specific SSH. So what you need to do, you need to just copy this command, right? Here you can see. So copy this one, go to your terminal, right? No need to worry about anything. Just paste your command and change this it to your file name. So I have the file name Yatri-key pair. Copy this one and paste it here and hit enter. And you can see, just type pairs and your virtual machine is going to connect. So you can see Yatri user, which I give the username to my virtual machine, and this is my name of the virtual machine. Okay, this is the username. Fine. So let me type ls. Nothing right now. Okay, let me go to back and type ls. You can see my username, right? So you can now connect your virtual machine in this pretty much way. So try it out and let me know if you have any doubt, any error in between. We happy to solve it. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care, and do not forget to subscribe to the Yatri Cloud and stay tuned with me on Azure Practical Series. So bye bye.